very rough. But we're trying to be there at the end, you know. We had to tow ourselves in. Someone had to tow us in just a while ago because apparently we hit the sump and burst it and ran out of oil. So after we completed the stage, we had to be towed in. Hey, we're going to be there at the end. Don't worry, we're going to be there at the end.
Point is we're trying to make it. And then tonight we can make some major repairs.
I'm still in here, having fun, but it's rough. Very rough. I'm just trying to make it through today so that I can start tomorrow. A lot of people have dropped out already, and I can tell you it's rough, and that is why they're falling out one by one. So the idea is to just keep going, see if I can finish it.
Well, it's going okay. It's kind of rough, very, very fast. A lot of people are dropping out. I hear David has some problems. I hear Angus having problems. Doug, I hear Doug crashed up. I don't know where we are. I think we're somewhere up. Talk later. How are you going so far?
Surviving. As you can see, everybody falling out. But hanging in there.
Any problems?
Yeah, early on today, the hose for the oil pressure gauge burst and all the oil ran out. Because I'm driving a Toyota, just add more oil and keep on going.
We haven't been able to get the car to run over 5,000 RPM since yesterday. In fact, no one on our crew slept last night because we worked all through the night trying to get it going. We still haven't been able to. We're hoping tonight we get it right and try and make up some time tomorrow.